Before you enter any transactions in N3 AI accounting, you need to set up your financial period first. This tells the system when your financial year starts and what date to base your opening balances on. Here's how to do it. Go to the navigation pane and click on Company, then open Company Profile. From there, head to Settings and look for Financial Period. Click Setup. Now you'll set your accounting period details. The fiscal start month is the very first month of your financial year. Set the length of the first fiscal period to 12 months. Then for account start month, put in the month and year of your first live transaction. And for the cutoff date, this is the basis of your opening balances, so it's usually the day right before you go live. Once everything looks good, click OK. Just a heads up, once your system has existing transactions, this setting can no longer be edited, so make sure everything is correct before saving. And that's it. Your financial period is all set.